Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello my outstanding students. Welcome back to our online English class. For today's lesson, we're going to look at English Get Smart Plus 4 Students Book, page 52 and 53, Our World. Okay, as usual, at first we're going to look at the vocabulary list, and then we're going to answer this house quiz, and then we move on to the sentence pattern or the grammar part, and then we're going to do some exercises. And without further ado, let's get it started. Alright, the first vocabulary for today is a cup of tea. A cup of tea. In Malay, we call it secawan teh. Okay, you see the tea is in a cup. Kalau di dalam cup macam ini, we call it a cup of tea. Next one is a bar of chocolate. Say it with me. A bar of chocolate. So a bar of chocolate in Malay we call it sepapan chocolate. Okay, the sepapan, the satu papan macam ini, we call it a bar. A bar of chocolate. Next one is a glass of milk. A glass of milk. It means segelas susu. Okay, this is a glass of milk. Next one is meal. Say it with me, meal. So meal in Malay is hidangan. Okay, so this is meal. Meal ni dia a set of food that you eat every day. For example, you eat those that you eat for dinner, for lunch, for breakfast. Okay, satu set makanan yang berat. Okay, kalau makanan berat ni kita panggil meal. Kalau snacks tu makanan ringan. Kalau meal ni makanan yang berat. Okay, next one is hour. Hour is jam. Okay, 1 jam, 2 jam, 3 jam. Not the clock, okay? Clock and hour is two different things. Okay, clock 1 jam warna merah ni kan. This is what we call clock. Tapi hour ni jam yang this one. Yang dalam dia ni 1, 2. Yang ni jarum yang pendek ni. This is hour. Okay. Alright, now we're going to answer this health quiz. So this one, how healthy are you? Read and circle. Okay, you have to answer each question. Okay, you have to answer it honestly with your own answer. Do the quiz and find out how healthy you really are. Okay, benda ni awak kena jawab dengan jawapan awak sendiri. Macam mana pemakanan awak setiap hari kan? So benda ni, there is no right or no wrong. Sebab benda ni pasal awak sendiri. So you have to answer it honestly, right? So number 1, we're going to look at the first question. How many meals do you eat every day? Berapa banyak hidangan awak makan dalam sehari? So the first one is A, 1 meal, B, 3 meal, C, 2 meals. So how many times do you eat every day? Alright, my answer would be 3 meals. Okay, we have breakfast, we have lunch and dinner. Tapi ini terpulang untuk awak sendiri. Awak makan berapa hidangan setiap hari. Alright. Number 2, do you eat vegetable with your lunch? Okay, awak makan tak sayur dengan masa makan tengah hari tu awak selalu tak makan sayur. So my answer would be always. Okay, we have sometimes, never or always. Kadang-kadang, tidak pernah ataupun selalu. So this is my answer is always. You can answer with your own question, with your own answer. Number 3, how much water do you drink every day? Berapa banyak air awak minum setiap hari? The first, we got A, over 5 glasses, lebih daripada 5 gelas. B, 2 to 3 glasses, 2 ke 3 gelas. Or C, 1 to 2 glass, 1 ke 2 gelas. So my answer would be over 5 glasses. Alright, number 4, how many bars of chocolate do you eat every week? Berapa banyak chocolate bar ni awak makan setiap hari, setiap minggu? So we have here A, over 7 bars, lebih daripada 7 bars. B, 2 to 3 bars, 2 hingga 3 bars. Ataupun we have C, 0 to 2 bars, 0 hingga ke 2 bar. So how many times do you eat chocolate every week? Okay, ni untuk setiap minggu ya. So my answer would be 0 to 2 bars. Okay, how about you? How many times do you eat it? Okay, number 5, do you exercise? The answer A, yes, every day. B, sometimes. C, never. Okay, my answer would be sometimes. How about you? Do you exercise? Okay, number 6, how many hours do you sleep? Berapa banyak jam awak tidur? Okay, ni untuk setiap hari. Berapa banyak jam awak tidur? We have A, 5 to 6 hours. And then B, 6 to 7 hours. Or C, 8 to 10 hours. Okay, it depends on you. So my answer would be 6 to 7 hours. Alright, so the value of this quiz. Okay, kenapa kita nak kena buat quiz ni? It's B, is be aware of your healthy habit. Okay, be aware of your healthy habit mean awak kena tahu pasal pemakanan awak sama ada sihat ke tak. Okay, if it's good for your body or not. Kita kena tahu benda tu bagus ke tak untuk badan kita. So kat sini kita dah jawab ni. Now we're going to calculate the answer. Okay, so macam mana nak kira? Pastikan awak jawab betul-betul dengan secara jujur, and then we're going to count the score. Okay, so look at the first one. Number 1, if your answer is A, you got 0 marks. If your answer is B, you got 2 marks. And if your answer is C, you got 1 mark. And then, now look at my answer. My answer for number 1, I answer B. So B would be 2 marks. Okay, saya dapat 2 marks untuk number 1. Okay, yang ni awak boleh kira ikut awak punya jawapan sendiri. Kalau jawapan awak A, awak dapat 0 marks. Kalau jawapan awak B, you got 2 marks. Kalau jawapan awak C, dapat 1 mark. So ni, you can write down on a piece of paper and calculate it. Alright, so for number 2, if your answer is A, you got 1 marks. If your answer is B, you got 0 marks. And if your answer is C, you got 2 marks. So my answer is C. C is 2 marks. So I have to add, tambah kat sini, another 2 marks. Okay. And then number 3, if your answer is A, you got 2 marks. If your answer is B, you got 1 marks. And if your answer is C, you got 0 marks. Okay, for number 3, my answer is A. I got 2 marks again. Alright. And the next one, number 4. Okay, look at number 4. My answer is C. Tengok kat sini, C is 2 marks. Tambah lagi 2 markah. And then number 5, my answer is B. B is 1 mark. 1 markah. And then number 6, my answer is B. B is 1 marks. Okay, 1 markah. Jadi kita total. Make sure there are 6 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sebab kat sini ada 6 soalan kan. So make sure there are 6 number that you going to add. Okay, yang awak akan tambah nanti. Alright, so this is mine. You can count yours. So mine would be 2 plus 2 plus 2. And then another plus 2. And then plus 1 and plus 1. So tambah semua ni, we got 10 marks. Okay, kat sini boleh tengok. If your marks is 0 to 4 marks, you are out of shape. Okay, out of shape maksudnya tak healthy. You're not healthy. Eat right and exercise more. Okay, awak kena makan lebih baik dan lebih bersenam. So, ni kalau markah awak 0 hingga 4. Okay, yang markah yang awak dah tambah tadi. So, if your mark is 5 to 8, it is health friendly. You're healthy. Maksudnya awak sihat. But you can do more. Try harder. Okay, boleh cuba lagi. Dah sihat, cumanya boleh perbaiki lagi pemakanan tu. Okay, and then the last one, healthy and fit. This is for 9 to 12 marks. Okay, kalau markah 9 hingga ke 12, you are a very healthy person. Orang yang sihat. So my mark is 10. 9 to 12 is in, dia 10 ni di dalam ni kan, dalam kategori ni. So this is healthy and fit is my marks. Okay, my score. So you have to count your own score untuk tengok. Okay. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is the grammar that we're going to learn. The usage of many and much. Okay, when do we use many? When do we use much? Bila kita guna many, bila kita guna much. Okay, do you still remember countable and uncountable? Countable is something that we can count. Benda yang kita boleh kira, it is countable. And then uncountable untuk benda yang kita tak boleh kira. Maksud ani maksud dia tak boleh. Okay, tidak. So, kalau uncountable means tak boleh kira, countable means boleh kira. So, when do we use many? We use many when the noun is countable. Benda tu countable, benda yang boleh kira, kita guna many. For example, many pears, many strawberries, many plate, okay, many lemon, many plate, many bowl. Okay, benda yang kita boleh kira, kita guna many. For example here, how many pears are there in the fridge? Okay, sebab pear ni benda yang kita boleh kira kan. Jadi kita guna many. How many pears? Okay, remember if you use many, you have to use are. Kalau dekat dalam soalan tau kena guna are. Okay, how many pears? Sebab benda ni boleh kira. Now let's look at uncountable noun. For uncountable noun, we use much. Kalau tadi benda yang kita boleh kira, kita guna many. Benda yang tak boleh kira, kita guna much. For example here, how much lemonade is in the jug. Tengok ni, lemonade ni benda kita tak boleh kira. Sebab dia dalam bentuk cair, is in a liquid form. So, it is uncountable. Therefore, we use much. Okay. Like, much water. Okay. Much water, much salt, much sugar, much flour, or much milk. Okay, benda yang kita tak boleh kira, we use much. Alright. Okay, you can pause this video and then salin ni dalam buku tulis. Alright, now let's move on to the example. Okay, we look at other example. How many meals do you eat every day? Okay, tengok ni, dia guna many. Sebab meals ni benda yang kita boleh kira, hidangan kita boleh kira kan. Macam satu hidangan, how many meals do you eat every day? 1 meals a day, 2 meals a day. Benda yang kita boleh kira, so we use many. How many meals? Alright, so her answer is I eat 3 meals a day. Okay, nampak tak? 3 meals ni benda yang kita boleh kira kan. Okay. Next one is how much water do you drink every day? Okay, berapa banyak air awak minum setiap hari? So look at this, water is uncountable. Benda yang kita tak boleh kira. Tadi tak boleh kira, kita guna much. Okay. How much water do you drink every day? I drink 2 to 3 glasses of water a day. Betul kat sini, dia tak tulis 2 to 3 water kan. Dia tak tulis 2 hingga ke 3 air. Dia guna 2 hingga ke 3 gelas air. Sebab gelas, kalau glass of water ni baru kita boleh kira. So, kalau benda yang kita tak boleh kira, kita guna much. Kalau benda yang boleh kira, kita guna many. Alright, now let's do this exercise. Listen and choose. So I'm going to play this video. You have to circle the right answer. Look at the first question. How much milk does Anna drink every day? So cuba tengok kat sini. Now listen to this audio and try to find the answer.
1. How much milk does Anna drink every day?
Anna, can you answer some questions for my survey?
Sure.
Okay, first question. How much milk do you drink every day?
I drink 1 glass in the morning and 1 before I go to bed.
So, 2 glasses? That's very good.
So how much milk does Anna drink every day? The answer is 2 glasses. The one she drink in the morning and the other one is before bed. Pagi dengan sebelum tidur. So the answer for number 1 is B, 2 glasses. Number 2, how often does Anna eat vegetables? Okay. Now listen.
2. How often does Anna eat vegetables?
How often do you eat fruit and vegetables?
I eat them every day. I have a big salad with vegetables at lunch and a fruit salad every night. It's a healthy dinner. Fruit and vegetables are good for us.
That's true.
Okay, so how often does Anna eat vegetables? It is. Dia makan tadi dia cakap 2 kali kan? Twice. Okay, is it twice a day or twice a week? Twice a day because she eat vegetable every day. Okay, dia makan setiap hari dan dia makan 2 kali sehari. So number 2 is B. Number 3, how often does Anna exercise? Okay, let's listen.
3. How often does Anna exercise?
I see you've got a basketball with you, so I guess you exercise.
Yes, I do. Basketball is my favourite sport.
How many hours do you play every week?
Well, I played basketball 3 times a week.
Do you do any other sports?
I also swim. When I don't play basketball, I go to the swimming pool for an hour or so.
So, you exercise every day.
Yes, for about an hour every day.
Okay, the answer for number 3, how often does Anna exercise? The answer is every day, setiap hari. Kalau dia main basketball 3 times a week, tapi dia exercise every day. Okay, sometimes Anna goes for swimming and sometimes she play basketball. Number 4, how many hours does Anna sleep every night? Okay, berapa jam Anna sleep setiap malam? Let's listen.
4. How many hours does Anna sleep every night?
Okay, Anna, and the last question. How many hours do you sleep every day?
I go to bed at 10 at night and I wake up at 7 in the morning when I've got school.
So that's 9 hours.
Yeah, I always sleep 9 hours. At the weekends, I go to bed later and I wake up at around 8 o'clock.
So, Anna, you're a very healthy person. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, how many hours does Anna sleep every night? 10 hours, 7 hours, or 9 hours? The answer is 9 hours. Alright. Okay, you made it to the end of the video. See you next class. Bye!